Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard dough bread. Get ready to bake a truly satisfying loaf with a wonderfully firm crust and soft interior. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final golden brown bake. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking to master a classic Caribbean staple, bringing warmth and flavor to your kitchen. Let's dive into the process and create something delicious together. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For sweetness, add 1/2 cup of sugar. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of shortening or butter and combine it with 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Slowly add the liquid to your dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is crucial for developing the bread's structure. Now for the most important part, kneading. Turn your dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for a solid 15 to 20 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving hard dough bread its characteristic chewiness. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth, elastic, and passes the window pane test. Then, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down your dough to release the air. Divide it into 2 equal portions and shape each into a tight, smooth loaf. Place these loaves into greased loaf pans. Now, let them rise for a second time, for about 30 to 45 minutes until they look puffy. Finally, bake your beautiful loaves at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until they are a rich golden brown. Enjoy your homemade hard dough bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.